What is the biggest mistake people make when they do test automation? The biggest mistake I see is when they try to automate their manual testing process, their existing testing process, the way they normally do things, where they have, for example, their test scripts, their manual test scripts that they're going to check by hand. They want to automate those. Now, it feels kind of intuitive, doesn't it? It feels like it's the sort of thing you would want to automate. I mean, we talk about automated tests. Isn't that what we're talking about? Well, actually, that is a very inefficient way of getting value out of automation. For one thing, it's way too late to have much impact on the process. You might save yourself a little bit of time with regression, but you're not going to speed up development. You're not going to make your developers' life easier. You're not going to get feedback faster. You're not going to get those releases out the door any sooner. To do that, you need to rethink your whole approach to automation and bring it much further earlier on, much further left, if you like. That's what left shifting really is about. It's about identifying the opportunities for automation before you even start working on the story and deciding where the best place to automate particular bits of particular acceptance criteria or particular constraints. How do you show the evidence? How do you demonstrate that your story works in an automated fashion so you can get feedback faster? That's the essence of what you're trying to do. So in a nutshell, instead of trying to automate your test cases and going through the whole process of writing the test cases, even running the test cases manually, then automating them, which is largely a waste of time, get in early and start to think about automation before you even start work on the story, and then collaborate with the team to see the best way to automate your acceptance criteria and your other test cases that you need to think about as you go through. Anyway, that's my thoughts for today. Thanks for listening, folks.